I got 6 ways to say that I fell in love with you at first sight. I wish that I could frame the way you look at me with those eyes. Freeze time, baby, rewind, maybe